Hello students, welcome back to YouTube channel PMJ class. I'm Poonam, your online English teacher. In today's English class, we will learn question answers of the lesson Return to Year, which is written by Philippa A. Pierce. Let's start our objective type question answers. Question number 1. The boy was called Dash, flabby, filthy, sausage, honest. Answer is sausage. Question number 2. The instructor threw a tin in the pond. True or false? Answer is false. Question number 3. Sausage put his stamp collection in the tin box. True or false? True. Question number 4. Sausage brought a dash from under the water. A. Tin box. B. Fish. C. Duck. D. Pearls. Answer is tin box. Question number 5. Duck diving means diving into water in the manner of dash. A. Fish. B. Duck. C. Crocodile. D. Turtle. Answer is duck. Question number 6. Where did sausage reach while diving? Answer is at the other end of the pond. Now let's start our short question answers. Question number 1. Why did the boy called sausage? Answer is the boy was called sausage because he was fat and plump. Clear? Question number 2. Why did he not like diving? Answer is he did not like diving because his eyesight was very weak and for diving he had to remove his glasses. Clear? Question number 3. Choose the correct options. They all wanted me to learn duck diving. Who were they? A. His friends. B. His friends and the instructor. C. His parents. Answer is his friends and the instructor. Question number 4. What is duck diving? How is it taught? Answer is duck diving means diving like a duck into the water. A brick is thrown into the water by the instructor and the diver has to bring back the brick. In this way, it is taught. Question number 5. What happened to Sausage when he tried duck diving the first time? Answer is Sausage got afraid when he tried duck diving the first time. He could not see properly inside the water without his glasses. Question number 6. Why could not Sausage see inside the water? Answer is Sausage had very weak eyesight. He went into the water without his glasses for duck diving. So, he could not see inside the water properly. Question number 7. Why did the water change colors? How did it change colors? Answer is it was a light of sun which gave different colors to water. The water changed its color as Sausage went deeper. The water changed its color from brown to blackish brown. Question number 8. Was Sausage sure that he would not come out alive? Give examples to support your answer. Answer is yes. He was sure that he would not come out alive. He was underwater for a long time and was about to lose his breath. Question number 9. What did Sausage dig out? Did he know what he had caught hold of when he was inside the water? Why? Answer is he dug out an old tin box. No, he did not know what he had caught hold of because inside the water he could not see properly without his glasses. Clear? Question number 10. Where did Sausage reach while swimming? Answer is he reached the other side of the pond where old people and kids were fishing with hooks and nets. Question number 11. What did Sausage do with the tin? Answer is he cleaned the tin box and keep it on the mantelpiece. He put his coin collection in it. Clear? So students, question answers of this lesson, all short and objective type, have completed. Now do it on your notebook and learn it. And we will meet with the next chapter, how much land does a man need? Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.